I sometimes get really impressed with customer service and how some brands go beyond to create a wow experience for a customer, somebody that they consider valuable, somebody they consider important. They make you feel like you're the king of the mountain. And when they do this, you basically become loyal for life. So I want to talk about customer service because a lot of people are focused on getting customers to buy for the first time. And a lot of people forget to take care of their existing customers, and they don't realize that their existing customers are basically the key for their prosperity and their ability to keep on scaling and doing better. Now, of course, you got to have the ability to focus on both things at the same time. You got to acquire new customers while you keep your current customers happy. Combination of those things is essential. Anyways, I'm making this video right now because I sometimes get really impressed with customer service and how some brands go beyond to create a wow experience for a customer, somebody that they consider valuable, somebody they consider important. They make you feel like you're the king of the mountain. And when they do this, you basically become loyal for life. They really do earn your business, and that's quite special. And a good business, a good brand, really stands out in their ability to deliver customer service, which is sometimes just that wow factor. It's not just only servicing, it's not just only giving results, even though those things are very important. It's just somehow looking for ways to creating a wow experience for people. And I just got a wow experience right now from somebody that I have trusted with some very important things here at AGM, and they have guided us in some areas to make our marketing better or to make some areas better. And he's over the last year, he's actually become a friend of mine, and this is our dear friend Rudy Maurer. Yeah, so I got this box over here. I actually this is technically an unboxing video, but I already unboxed it. It didn't look special on the outside, so I didn't know. So I really just put on all the wrap inside. Let's take all the wrap outside. And this is so like mind-boggling, right? Like how, Rudy and his team, they went far and beyond to understand me, who I am, what I stand for, and even the emotional parts of me, so they can put together something special. So what did they do? So, first of all, they had sent a questionnaire, all right, about just to understand more about me. So they asked me, what are my favorite movies? What are this? So my favorite movie of all time is The Last Samurai with Tom Cruise, right? It's one of them. I think I had 2 on the list. But if you look at it, so obviously they got my branding, Manuel Suarez, the Marketing Ninja, Maurer Capital, Optimize, Grow, and Sell. We've become really good friends over the last several months. He's been over here a few times, and I've been over there a few times, and we've been to his house, and it's quite something, right? So he put the name of my dad's book over here, but that's not all of it. He got to understand our story a lot more. My dad's story, my story, and how we also were working together, trying to conquer a certain area, right? As you guys know, we have a brand called Natural Slim. Our focus is helping people awaken their metabolism, help improve their health, and that's basically our focus. So he says over here, beautiful artwork. I don't think that's me. Is that me?
That's you.
Is that me?
That's you.
I don't have teeth like that, and my beard is a little scrappy. Is that me for real?
That was before the you. That's why I laughed.
I think I'm more good looking than Tom Cruise though. Right? Right? That's Tom Cruise right there, by the way. That's him. But check this out, the detail, guys. Just as I'm trying to give you value in this content piece, the detail. Obviously, I became a client of them. He's been helping us with some areas of our business. So I'm important to him. But now, he makes me feel like I'm incredibly important to him. And this is something that I recommend that all of you guys that have a business, that have a brand, look for ways to wowing your customer and understanding really. Because when I see this, I see that he really understood who I am. All right? So it says over here at the bottom, a father and a son's mission to help the people of the world accelerate fat loss and awaken their metabolism. How cool is that, right? So it's a poster of my favorite movie, when talking about my dad's best-selling book, Power Your Metabolism, which sold 2.5 million copies, and with a statement about who we are, right? That's incredible. That is wowing a customer. That's creating this effect of like, wow, I want to continue giving business to this individual right here, to this business right here. So lesson for all of us here, lesson for any brands out there is look for ways. This costs money. I didn't pay for this. This is something that they did to show me how valuable we are to them. Very, very cool overall, incredible experience that they're creating. I've seen that done a few times, and I can tell you what happens uniformly is you become, your lifetime value as a customer triples, quadruples. So if you're traditionally getting $150 from somebody, when you create something like that, you're going to end up getting $600 from that person. That's just the way it is, because now you feel like, wow, that person really got me. They understood who I am. That is so amazing. I mean, I'm going to look for ways to give them more business. You know, and even though like maybe sometimes the products or services might not be perfect, you still feel like these guys get me. You know, it's like the connection becomes pretty immortalized with something like this. So super, super cool. Something I wanted to share with all of you guys. Thank you, Rudy. Love you guys. Let's keep on going.